Okay, back again in the garage, working on the Jeep. You can see we got the two bolts out. We've got our piece of cardboard. We're making sure our bolt holes line up well. You can see we started our two bolts. Push our cardboard up. We know that this is where it's at. So what we're going to do is tape this cardboard to the Jeep. Like this. Now we know the cardboard's in the right spot, so. All right, that's where the cardboard's at. Now, we take the bolts out. Boom, bolts out. So we've got a plate we're going to put like this. It has to go even with the top here and even with this pipe like this. All right, we're going to get our level on our pipe. Make sure our pipe's at the right level. It is level. So we can mark this. There's two ways we can do this. One, we can do this. That's one way of doing it right there. And we can use this template to transfer to the pipe. The other thing we can do there, so we're going to take that off and line it up on here and use it as a drilling template. That's how that's going to work. Hopefully you got to see all that. So there's the piece that was on the Jeep. You can line it up on here. You got to pick the right side. Here you go. So we can line that up really good there. And what we'll do is tape this together. Once you bring that up, you can see there's your two holes. Oh, we're going to put that in the vise down there and come in and drill it. So let's move to the other end of the bench. Okay, so you can see we got the template. We got a couple spots to drill because the way the cardboard folds in, you get a small hole there. That's going to work to our advantage. So watch what we're going to do here. I'll drill for a pilot hole. I didn't drill very well. I'll have to get another one. Okay. You can see this one here. All right, so once you've got your two holes marked, you can get this off. This is ready for the other side now. Put that over there. Put a little lubricant. Take that drill out. We'll leave it out so we can add it later. Now we need to find a drill that'll take this 5/16. Let's drill in our kit. Okay, let's let it out of the vise and test fit it. So before we test fit, we're going to put these on there. So some scraps of foam. Going to put it on here like this. Doesn't want to stick very well because the surface is dirty, but we have to put that in there because that's where it's going to be when we're on the Jeep. Okay, so that's what we got to do. So we'll get this on, and then we'll drill a couple holes here to make that fit right. All right, we drilled them through. Keep in mind, this all goes to powder coater once it's done, so these will be coming off. They're temporary. All right, so put a couple of those on there. Let's see how it test fits. We went and got ourselves a wrench. Let's see what we got here. That goes in okay. Hey. Look at that. Hey, that'll work. So let's make up the one for the other side, and we'll be back to do the lower one. It looks like we might have some antenna issues. We might take that off temporarily while we build it. But you can see how this is. Now we'll clamp, weld. This will work well. And we'll cut some of this off when we weld it. Okay, same thing down here. We took the bolts out. Gonna mount our cardboard on there with our bolts. See, we got our piece here. Do some trimming. Do some trimming. Maybe this is a little better. All right, so there we go. Then we know where the holes are. Put some tape through here. Put some tape up here. Don't want the cardboard to move. There we go. We got two pieces of angle. This is now 3 by 4. We cut this down already because it hit here. So now we're going to put this like this. We need to make sure we're going to cover both holes and have this reasonably close to where we want it. And we're going to have to take our pencil again and sketch it out on here. So you can see we got some lines. So we'll be able to take that off, tape it on here. We'll do the drilling. We're not going to show you that. We already showed you how to drill once. So we'll show you this when we're all done with this step, all right? All right, there you go. We've got it. We've got our 2 brackets. Next thing will be to clamp and weld this together right here and right here. So post notifications on. Don't miss this, all right? We're going to do welding next. You're going to enjoy it, and then we'll start working on the back part. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss it!